Home Show.
Andrew from Navasota has a question about attic ventilation.
Yeah, he says he's planning to get a new roof here, Tom, and he found out the attic fan up there is not working. So Andrew writes, my roof does not have ridge vents, but it does have soffit vents. He says, I got a quote to install ridge vents, and after watching your video, he says, I understand having both vents and a fan is not recommended. He says, I'm thinking about removing the attic fan, install the ridge vents, but I have HVAC equipment up there in the attic. Will a ridge vent provide enough ventilation during the summer?
Yeah, that's the whole point, is it actually does more. And it's not uncommon to have one of these fans burn out because they just get up there. It's so hot. There's not enough air to keep the motor cool. Motors get hot when they're running. And so the motor burns out. And so people don't realize how many attic fans that are in their attic that don't work because they never go up there to check them. So as far as that goes, I would get rid of it. I would put a ridge vent and I would move on with other things. And that's as simple as that answer can be, is you're on the right track.
So it's not a matter of the air conditioning having to be cool or anything like that up in the attic?
Not a bit. Nope.
Okay.
It's fine.
All right. You got a question? We'll answer it short and sweet, just like that. We love to help you no matter what, no matter how complex the problem is. Tom will take it on. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button. Fill it out, send it in, and you get an answer just like this. And we post them at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and our YouTube channel. And if you're watching this on YouTube, down there, would you click on the little thumbs up? That helps us out.